If you're a designer looking to make money using AI, you've come to the right place. And the best part about this is that this isn't just some hyped up thing. This is a powerful tool that you can significantly boost your earning potential with, even if you're a complete beginner. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple, practical ways that you can start using AI immediately to make extra income from selling AI generated all the way up to leveraging automated design processes. Make sure to stick around because adopting these AI strategies right now will put you ahead of the competition and directly translate into higher profits. If you've been hesitant about using AI or you're unsure how it fits into your career as a designer, it's time to see exactly how these tools can help you earn more. I'll be breaking down 5 proven ways that you can easily incorporate AI into your workflow in order to create new streams of income. These things include selling custom AI generated designs, creating profitable prompt templates, launching your own AI powered merchandise line, or even monetizing your creations on major stock platforms. Each method I'll show you is completely beginner friendly, practical, and more importantly, designed specifically to help you make more money the right way. But without further ado, let's get into it. The first way to make money is by selling AI generated artwork, and this works best if you focus on concept art, logo design, or character illustrations. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney to create high quality visuals and then showcase your work on platforms like Fiverr, Behance, or even your personal portfolio website. And the best part about this is that there's already a very strong demand for this. Buyers are actively hiring AI artists for creative projects because it's faster and much more affordable than traditional methods. Once you build a small portfolio, you can start offering design packages, experiment with different niches like fantasy or sci-fi scenes, and even raise your prices as you improve. Since most of the artwork is generated in just a couple of minutes, this becomes an efficient and scalable way to earn consistent freelance income as a designer. And the second method we'll be talking about is selling AI prompts on platforms like Prompt-Based, where designers monetize the exact instructions used to generate specific styles or visuals. This works especially well if you've already experimented with tools like Midjourney or ChatGPT and figured out how to get consistent high quality results from them. Once you've created a unique style or found prompts that generate in-demand content like logos, digital paintings, or any kind of mock-up you can create, and you can then go about listing them for sale. Buyers on these platforms include people like marketers, developers, and content creators who want specific outcomes without learning the tools themselves. This lets you earn passive income by packaging your creative process into a simple digital product which you can continue selling while you focus on building other projects. The third way to earn money is launching a print-on-demand store, which is going to be using your AI-generated designs that you've created. With tools like Canva for layout and platforms like Printful, you can create original t-shirts, hoodies, posters, and accessories without handling inventory or shipping. Once your designs are ready, you can connect to a store with your Shopify site or sell directly through the marketplace like Etsy. In order to make this profitable, you'll want to focus on specific themes or trends like minimal quotes, retro patterns, or niche communities. Once you've done that, you'll then promote your store using social media or influencer partnerships. Because everything is automated too, after setup, this gives you an ongoing income stream with very little maintenance that you have to deal with. The fourth method will be uploading and selling your AI-generated visuals on Adobe Stock, which is one of the few stock platforms that officially accepts AI-created content. You'll start by using tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney to generate original-looking images. Once you have those images, you'll then refine them and format them properly using Canva or Photoshop before uploading them. Make sure your work follows Adobe's guidelines, which include disclosing that the content was AI generated, and of course, avoiding any copyright infringement issues. Once accepted, your designs become searchable by businesses, marketers, and other creatives who need high-quality assets for their own projects that they're building. Every time somebody uses your image, you'll get paid a royalty fee, which turns your designs into long-term passive income. This is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to turn your design skills into money without constantly having to chase new clients. And the fifth way to increase your income as a designer is by offering AI-generated visuals as an upsell in your client projects. Whether you're working on branding, web design, or social media assets, you can use AI tools to create custom images, icons, or backgrounds that elevate the final product. Instead of your client hiring a photographer or purchasing stock photos, you generate visuals in-house and charge an additional fee for that service. This makes your offer so much more valuable, and it saves the client money and positions you as a one-stop solution. A great example of this is that, let's say you're designing a website. You can include original AI-generated hero images or illustrations that match their brand, which are only going to take minutes to produce and ultimately are going to be worth hundreds of dollars in added project value. Over time, this small change in your process can turn each project into a high earning opportunity without requiring more of your time on the front end. Now, as another bonus way of making money as a designer with artificial intelligence, another great way of doing this is by using ChatGPT's built-in image generation feature. You can then use their image generation feature to create ad creatives for your advertising agency. This tool allows you to describe any type of visual that you can think of, like a Facebook ad for a skincare brand or even a YouTube thumbnail for a real estate coach, and instantly generate professional on-brand images. You can then go about offering this as a service to small businesses, creators, and coaches who actually need scroll-stopping graphics but don't have a designer on staff. To get started with this, very quickly here, I want to show you an example of what that might look like. Just head over to ChatGPT and simply type in this prompt that I'm about to type. Once you type this in, you basically just tell it to create an ad creative print ad and then specify what the print ad should have on it. One of the other things you can do is also add specific images to this, as well as any other assets like your brand's logo or your color palette, in order to keep everything within the brand voice. While that looks good, you'll hit the enter button and then just wait a few moments for the actual print ad to get generated. As you can see, ChatGPT just officially created my very first print ad. And again, this might not be the exact type of print ad that you want to use, but this could be something that really has a ton of potential for skincare brands, direct-to-consumer brands, e-commerce brands, and pretty much anything you can think of. One of the other things you can do with ChatGPT is go about designing logos for companies that don't already have an existing brand profile. In this instance, I made up a fake company that is an AI email assistant. I then said to basically just design a logo for this and create that for me. And boom, just like that, we don't even have an official name for this company yet, but it's already generated a really good looking stylized logo that we could start using inside of our marketing material, as well as any of the other parts of our branding for this company. And that literally took me 30 seconds to generate. It took me no time at all to create this, which is just even more mind-blowing to think about. This, coupled with the fact that you could take direct requests from people, means that this is a very sellable option that you could start selling to any consumers out there who are thinking about getting their foot in the door as far as starting something, but they don't know or don't have the know-how when it comes to technology on how to do this. Now, in this video, we talked a lot about Canva, which is an incredibly effective design tool that you definitely are going to want to use if it comes to creating things like this and obviously selling your designs to people. If you guys want to get started with Canva, I would recommend using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you should be brought to a page that looks something like this. As you can see, they have a couple of different plans that you can choose from, as well as a monthly and a yearly option. The monthly option is going to be a little bit more expensive than the yearly option, but if you just want to dip your toes in, you can start completely for free with Canva right here. Although I will mention you won't get access to some of the more advanced features that they have that you can choose from, of course, on some of their paid plans. And just as a quick little bonus here, if you don't know how to actually get clients or how to get customers, one of the best ways to go about doing that is by either posting consistent organic content on social media about what you're offering, running Facebook or Instagram ads, or doing cold outreach by emailing people or reaching out over direct message on various social platforms. I wish you all the best of luck out there, and I think you guys can do some amazing work with all of the tools that we have at our disposal as designers with artificial intelligence. Make sure to let me know down in the comments below which of these you're planning on trying, or let me know if you've had any success with them. Also, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. And please remember that the links down in the description are affiliate links, and we do earn a small commission from them for each sign up. So thank you in advance for supporting more videos like this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.